Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another Tech Week unbox and review series. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing and reviewing something exciting and useful at the same time. Today we're going to be checking out the cinematic lightbox manufactured by Lightbox. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, this is yet another special episode because once again I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a budget tech gadget that I got online that could be a pretty fun add-on to your desk setup and even useful for a lot more fun stuff. Today we're going to be checking out the Cinematic Lightbox, which is an LED backlit and comes with 85 changeable letters and symbol tiles. This amazing cinematic LED lightbox comes in various sizes and with additional add-ons. But today I got myself the A4 size LED lightbox and I'm really happy and excited to put this to use. So let's go ahead and take a look at this packaging before we get this opened. Well, as you can see, this is a regular box packaging that looks quite decent with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at this boxing before we crack this thing open. And while I get this open, kindly pay attention while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these products away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened and check out its contents. Well, at first glance I should admit that I'm really happy with the build quality and this lightbox seems to be of premium quality and quite sturdy, which makes me happy. So before we get started, let's first take a look at what this package includes. We do have a A4 size cinematic LED lightbox, a USB cable and a set of 85 reusable letters and symbols which we will run through in a bit. Well, all I can say is wow. This cinematic lightbox is ideal for home or office use and can be placed on a table or desk or even wall mounted. We can use this LED lightbox to share personalized messages with your loved ones in a vintage cinematic style, or even use it as a prop if you are a YouTuber for your YouTube shoots or photography. All you gotta do is just slide the letters into the rails on the lightbox to create words and sayings of your choice. Turn on the inbuilt LED light and watch magic happen. And now let's check out the functionality. To begin with, this cinematic LED lightbox is made of quality acrylic which is non-toxic and odorless and has a sturdy and durable build quality which is completely safe to use. And this cinematic LED lightbox measures in at 12 inches in length, 8.5 inches in height, 2.5 inches in depth and weighs in at about 300 grams. This box comes with an inbuilt white LED light with a switch which makes it convenient for use. The LED lights can be powered by 6 AAA batteries or with a power bank using the USB cable provided with it, which I will show you in a bit. The cinematic lightbox also comes with 85 changeable letters and symbol tiles to create personalized marquee signs for your home or office decor. All you gotta do is just slide the letters into the rails of the lightbox and create words and sayings of your choice. Turn on the inbuilt LED light and watch magic happen. And now, with that being said, let's take a look at the setup and the functionality of this awesome cinematic LED lightbox. And while we do so, kindly find further features and specifications regarding this amazing cinematic lightbox in the description below. Well, everything seems to be amazing and spot on with this Lightbox, and I'm really amazed and happy with the quality and moreover the functionality with this one, as we can put this to use in so many ways and the sky is the limit. I give this one a massive thumbs up for the looks, performance and functionality. So now let's take a look at a few possibilities using this amazing LED Lightbox. And before we go ahead with the endless possibilities, let's go ahead first and sort out this set of 85 letters and symbols that are provided for a convenient usage. I'm just running through this so you would know what's exactly provided and what I'm talking about. So here we go. And so, with this sorted, let's go ahead and take a look at what's possible. Well, everything seems to be awesome and spot on with this Lightbox, and I'm really amazed and happy with the quality and moreover the functionality with this one, as we can put it to use in so many ways and the sky's the limit. I give this one a massive thumbs up for looks, performance and functionality. So now let's take a look at a few possibilities using this amazing LED cinematic Lightbox. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing cinematic Lightbox, I dropped the Best Buy link along with its discount code in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts regarding this amazing product. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and like and share our videos, and stay tuned for loads of fun stuff coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up this week. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.